Thank you for tapping me to your energy para malaman natin kung ano ang current situation mo at alam natin kung sa'yo tong reading na to. Kung hindi, take it as resonate or wag nang ipilit or flip and switch the energy, no? Minsan nangyayari yun. Madalas nga actually. Lalo na kung yung tao na person mo is talagang love na love ka, okay? Or talagang miss na miss na miss na miss ka. But hindi pa natin alam kasi nga kung anong reading to, okay? As of now, I think collective, you are entrapment because of money or pregnancy or heartstring, no? Pero gusto mong may makausap na tao para malaman kung same ba kayo ng nararamdaman. Kung alam niyo ba tong about to sa twin flame. First time ko masabi yun, no? Guys, hindi ko masyado ni-use ang twin flame dahil maraming tao na may nananipulate ang isang tao. Pero if you are currently in a twin flame journey, I just want you to know na yung tao is hindi ka dapat manipulate or hindi mo rin minamanipulate. Both of you should be in a free. Kailangan nyo talaga magkausap. There's no dapat na sabi ni ganito, sabi ni ganyan, what if ganon, what if ganyan, no? So, I think dapat you feel safe to this person and at the same time, kahit natitriggered ka, you feel you want to level up. Ngayon, kung medyo natitriggered ka, tapos parang sinasaktan ka pa ng sinasaktan, this is not a twin flame, this is a karmic. So, I just want you to know, guys, kasi may mga tao talaga na ginagamit na twin flame mo kung ganyan-ganyan. No, kahit na twin flame, minsan hindi talaga nagkakatuluyan, minsan may pinapalaki na bata lang, or business partnership, or talagang that's the end of the contract, of their lifetime contract, no? You don't need to be stuck unless hindi ka pa nga gumagawa ng moves towards your person. I think kung yung person may gumagawa, then yeah, you can take a risk. Okay? And I think kasi you're in love with someone else, no? You feel your inner child is safe with this person. Kaso, it may be may nabuntis ka or buntis ka sa ibang tao or might be may pamilya ka na or about sa money, hindi ka makalapit sa kanya or talagang nakatali lang talaga ikaw in a bad situation. But, yeah, tingnan natin, no? Tama ba yan? Twin flame mo nga ba to? Yun yung unang tanong na sumagi sa isip ko and yun din ang gusto kong ibigay sa'yo. Kasi guys, iba talaga ang twin flame sa trauma bond, okay? Trauma bond, it will keep you stuck. But, to be honest, yeah, yes, this is your twin flame. 1 no, 3 yeses. Pero kahit may isang no, lagi ko tinitingnan guys yun. Bakit nga ba no? No, kasi I think ganun lagi. Hindi mo pa nabibigay yung clarity sa person mo. Kaya siguro gusto mo siya makausap, no? Gusto mo itanong, same ba tayo na nararamdaman? Alam mo ba to? Or dilulo ba ako? Dilulo ka lang ba? Or parang something ganyan. I think gusto mo malaman kung nararamdaman mo rin ba yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi eto ko eh. Nga lang, alam ko it's very hard, no? Actually, naramdaman ko din yan nung una. But thank God, okay? Thank God and my guides and my archangels, okay? And I respect whatever you believe in, no? Akala ko is twin flames before is a word lang, no? Parang halimbawa, it's soulmate, no? Parang ganun. Parang sa twin, sa flames, hope, ganun, no? It's too late na na-realize ko yung twin flame is really a mirrored soul. It's a very hard part of your life, pero at the same time it will lead you to the right direction. So yung trauma bond kasi it will make you feel a victim eh. You will feel down, parang hindi ka papakawalan ng person na to and you can't escape unless talaga na you let yourself na ikaw yung makawala. However, in twin flame, you will see you triggered at yung mga past na gusto mong kalimutan. Pero, you will face it as a better version of yourself. Yung mga bagay na iniwan mo before ay kailangan mong balikan pero a better person of yourself. Yung trauma bond kasi, you will face your own insecurities pa rin or yung mga nangyari doon na gusto mo rin kalimutan. However, you will face it as a victim. You will face it at parang kawawa naman ako, wala na akong magagawa, bakit sila ganito, buti pa sila gano'n. Pero in twin flame, you will know that you are a victim, but you are also a learner and a fighter. You will know how to face your, yung mga tao na nakasakit sa'yo. Sorry, English yun, nabubulol ako. Okay yun, ganun, no? So, pinapatawa din kita, although nagkamali talaga ako, but pinapatawa din kita, I mean, um, as a part na I'm in a twin flame journey and I currently is still, and I still don't know if that person is doing something, but I don't think na kung nalaman ko before na twin flame kami is yung twin flame na talaga na higher soul contract, and I will tell that person. I don't think so then, no? Kasi some people uses that twin flame just to control their person, and I don't want to control my person, no? And I think, ikaw, gusto mo lang naman ng clarity, and it's okay to ask, no? It's okay to ask, and I think you want to give this person the way that they give you too. So, yun ang, yeah, ito rin yung gusto mo itanong. So, yeah, this is your person. This is your mirrored soul. This is your twin flame, okay? But I just want to remind you na hindi lahat ng twin flame ay nagkakatuluyan. Sometimes nagkakaanak sila na pinapalaki nila, or business partners, or as friends, or as end of their contract na, no? Na parang ito na yung lifetime na wala na, hindi na kayo ulit pwedeng magkaroon ng kontrata in another lifetime. It's a familiarity, pero hindi siya familiarity na familiar na parang mo yun, you feel at home, pero you want to be better. That's why there's a trigger. But, kaya nga tayo gusto natin maging better version of ourselves is because we are in love, okay? So, kung trauma bond is yung nagpi-people please at you want to stay, you are a chaser, you are a loner, it's a trauma bond, okay? So, yeah, twin flame mo rin to kasi, yeah, I think, nakikita mo rin dito yung mga bagay na, yung mga song, psychic, okay? Meron kang psychic, meron din siya. So, if you're thinking na you're sending a message to a song, I think your person also hearing those words, no? And certain lyrics or certain song, all, even though yung ano mo din, yung name mo, yung yung mo, plate number mo, something na number mo, no? Yeah, I think both of you parang lumalabas yung inner child nyo. At both of you, I think, yeah, see, this is everything that you wish for, and you are also everything they wish for. Okay? So, yeah, tingnan natin ang payo ng guides mo bago ko mahubusan ng oras, no? Yeah, please. Oh, okay. I think matutupad yung wish mo. You have their supports, okay? Supports. So, hindi lang isa yung nag-guide sa inyo. I think also yung guide ng person mo. And tanggapin mo na may bagay na mawawala sa'yo once na natupad yung wish mo, okay? Kasi nga, hindi makakapasok yung bagay na minimithi mo kung hindi mo bibigyan ng space, okay? Although may malaking bagay na mawawala sa pagkatao mo. Well, dati hindi ko maisip yun, no? Tanggapin yung card na yun, tinatanggap ko na siya na talaga palang kailangan para ma-enter yung wish mo. Wish is yung passion, which is love. Okay? So, might be yung third party nga, or yun nga, yung kung ano man yun. Ay, hindi ko naman sinasabi iwanan mo ng yung pamilya mo or something like that. Pero, hindi ko rin isasabihin sa'yo na mag-stay ka at tiisin at sirain mo pareho ang buhay nyo. Pero, it's your own decision and whatever you want to do, no? Kung saan ka komportable. So, yeah, always make a better choice and